Every journey, whether planned or unplanned, holds the potential for success. And in the realm of Agile mindset, success begins with understanding the path ahead. So what exactly is Agile? It's more than a methodology. Agile is a mindset, a set of values and principles that guide teams towards efficient collaboration and continuous improvement. Step 1 on the Agile journey: grasping the essence of Agile as outlined in the Agile Manifesto. Crafted in 2001 by 17 developers during a retreat, the manifesto highlights 4 core values and 12 principles, shaping the way software development is approached. But Agile isn't just a set of rules. It's about prioritizing individuals over processes, working software over documentation, collaboration over negotiation, and adaptability over rigid planning. These values and principles serve as the foundation for Agile teams, guiding them towards customer satisfaction, embracing change, and fostering sustainable development. Step 2. Understanding Agile frameworks and methods. Frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and SAFe provide structures for project management and team collaboration, but remember, the choice of framework should align with your team's size, organization type, and values. While frameworks are important, what matters most is why you're using them. Good Agile teams adapt and evolve their methods to suit their evolving needs. Our organization, Agile Scaled Value Project Management, ASVPM, through our primary project, Silicon Valley Project Management, SVPM, will help you get started on your journey. SVPM offers a platform to apply Agile concepts in a practical setting, surrounded by a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Remember, Agile is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. By understanding the Agile Manifesto, exploring different frameworks, and gaining practical experience, you'll embark on your Agile journey with confidence and mastery. Begin your Agile journey today.
Are you prepared to explore the world of Agile and get real-world knowledge that will help you stand out in the competitive job market of today? Silicon Valley Project Management, SVPM, is the only place to look. At SVPM, we provide you with the chance to strengthen Agile concepts through practical volunteer work, in addition to using them. Imagine collaborating with experts from around the world who are committed to assisting you in developing and succeeding in a useful and efficient way. The value of developing an Agile mindset in pursuit of practicing Agile values and principles while learning in a collaborative environment at ASVPM is priceless. Acquiring relevant, applicable, and practical job experience through SVPM will advance your career path. You will be working on real-world projects from day one, developing your Agile abilities in a friendly setting while interacting with a variety of teams. Start your Agile process right away. Don't delay.